Let's look at ComboBox. It's similar to dropdown list. Let's create a new project. No dependencies. Let's open FXML in SimBuilder. Box, let's delete it so that I can use my own design, anchor paint, one button, combo box, and one text area. Combo box, I will use prefix for CB. I will call it as a CB drink. OK. PTN OK. Handle PTN OK. TA summary. Let's check controller. Okay, demo 15 and controller. Save. Let's add a data field. CB drink. TA summary. Let's change to private. Don't forget to add JavaFX XML annotation. Okay, 3 of them. Event handler, handle PTN OK. We don't use that anymore, so let's delete. Implements initializable interface. You may need to implement one abstract method called initialize. So this initialize methods, you can initialize combo box. So CB drink. Let me add items one at a time using add methods. Item number 4. You can add 1 by 1, 5 and 6. TA summary, append text. CB drink. Get selection model. Get selection index. You can use wrapper class. In my case, I'm going to use a new line at the end. That means you don't have to have a string value of, because your index value becomes string. Copy, paste it. Let me turn it off. Okay, here I will change to item. Build project. Edit configuration, add new application. App. main class, hello application, OK, apply, run. If you look at the combo, there are 3 items. So when you click it, it's going to read the index value and then name of item 2 and 6. The second way of adding items, you can use get items and then add all. Instead of using 3 methods called add, you can use add all, so that you can add multiple items at once, like item 7 and 8 and 9. Typically, we like to use observable array list to set the model for ComboBox. So let's say observable list. I'm going to deal with the string value. As you can see, that item number 1, 2, 3 string, constant string list. We are using fxml collection model. We're going to use a subtype, which is observable array list. Here I will say drink items, which is going to be array, private, final, string array, drink items. I'm going to start with blank elements, then item 1, 2, 3. You need to import observable list. Second one, I have imported. Okay, you need to use cbstring, set items, observable array list, which is drink list. So that's the one way to set up the model for ComboBox. You should be able to see 10 items with the blank and then 9 items. Okay, index 6 and item 6. Okay, let me quickly fix the spelling. Let's return to Sim Builder. I'm going to use one more button for resetting ComboBox. Reset. btn reset. And then handle btn reset. private. Okay, let's create a method, handle pt and reset. There's one method called set value to 0, which is index 0. So if you select number 2, click reset, the combo box has been reset to 0. Okay, that's all. Thank you.